Hello, cadets. Today we will learn about weapon training. So most of us, mostly people ask me, no, why are you not giving any kind of introduction or something? I tell them, see, I don't want to give any sort of introduction. I don't want to tell who am I exactly. I only want you to learn about NCC and good marks, get a good score in your A certificate exam. That is my main motto. Uh, you knowing about me or me knowing about you, that doesn't matter. The intention behind this whole online session is just to make sure that you get proper marks. You get a good grade in your NCC exam. Other than that, there's no other intention of me to take an online class for all these cadets. So today we'll start a session for we will start with the weapon training. Before starting the session, weapon training, I just want to make sure I know all of maybe most of you have gone for firing. So the rifle what you have used in the firing is called name. What rifle is used in NCC? It is .22. In .22, we have two variants. One is .22, .22 MK4BA. It is one. Another one is .22 Deluxe B. They are the two rifles what are used in NCC. So you have already used .22 rifle during your firing. Now, what is the length of the .22 rifle? What is the length of the .22 rifle? It is 45 inch. So we don't have a rifle right now to me to explain you, but I have a small picture of the rifle. So the length of the rifle is 45 inch. So you may get in the question, sir, how will we get the questions in the exam? So they may ask you what is the length of the .22 rifle. They will give you different options. You have to select the correct one. So it is 45 inches. What is the weight of the .22 rifle? What is the weight of the .22 rifle is 3.93 kgs. So the difference between the two rifles is there is a difference between the weight and the magazine capacity. Rest all are almost same. So what is the weight of the .22 rifle is 3.93 kgs. Magazine capacity is 10 rounds. Magazine capacity, whatever the magazine capacity it has 10 rounds. Muzzle velocity is 2700 per second. Muzzle velocity is 2700 per second. Grooves in the barrel. What is groove? Most of them, grooves. There is a barrel where the bullet comes out when you fire. So inside this, you will have a threading kind of a thing. So once you fire the bullet, the ammunition, it moves, rotates inside the grooves, like how you have it in the nut, screw and a nut. No, when you do the threading, so there is a right hand towards the right hand side, you will have the grooves. So that is groove. So how many grooves in the barrel are there? Are six grooves in the barrel. Like towards the right side, you will have six grooves. What is the effective range? Now, if I am firing from here, I have to fire on the enemy. So how much range? Like it has an effective range. So it can kill someone. So it is 23 meters, or in yards if I count, it is 1700, 1700 yards. So max range, what is the max range of it is 1700 meters at 33 degrees angle. If you fire, it has the maximum range. Answer: caliber of .22 rifle. So caliber and ammunition is both like no, you will have the same answer. And it is a caliber, it is .22 only. Ammunition, what bullet you use is called ammunition. So it is also .22 ammunition only. So we will understand about the ammunition. The caliber of the ammunition is .22. Most of them, whoever have gone for firing, you will understand this is the ammunitions which are used in point 22 rifle. So what is the length of the bullet? The length of the bullet is 10 mm. This is the length. It is 10 mm. And the length of the bullet case is 15 mm. Once again, I'll tell you, length of the bullet is 10 mm, and this is 15 mm. This is bullet and this is case. Type of the bullet, this material, which what material it is lead or copper. Type of ammunition, it is rim or rimless. So this is about the ammunition. Now, in Viva, mostly in Viva, you will be asked to tell the parts of the rifle. You will be given a rifle and they will ask you to tell the parts of the rifle. You should be able to know at least 10 parts of the rifle. So, will come from the beginning. Like if you have a rifle, you will have a small like this in the U shape, you will have a pin. Okay, here. So, this is foresight tip. This is called foresight tip. So easy one I am telling you so that you will not have any problem during the exam. You can quickly answer this parts. And front side, and here in the back side, you will have a small U kind of a thing. This is called rear sight tip. Okay, from here to here, you have to watch your eye. You have to watch your target paper, and you have to align with this, and then you have to fire the bullet. Okay, this is right side tip. This is trigger. This part is trigger. This is trigger guard, which is protecting the trigger. You will have a safety catch near the trigger. Okay, mostly you will find it on the gun when you rifle when you see this. Okay, and this is not the .22 rifle, but this just for explanation. And this is, you will have a butt steel plate behind this. This is called butt plate. This is called butt or stock. Okay, now you learned 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, butt plate is 6, and you will have a butt sleeve where you will have a thread. Okay, here stacking this part and this part, you will have a thread which will be whenever they carry the gun, no, they keep it on their, and they will hold it like a belt. This is a belt kind of a thing which is tied here. Okay, this is 2, and this is muzzle. Here it is not there. This is barrel. Front hard guard where you hold the gun, no, it is called front hard gun. Where you lock is called a bolt. Okay, so if you know at least 10 parts of the rifle, then it will become easy for you to quickly answer during the viva, because during the viva, you will not have much time. They will quickly ask questions, you have to answer it in a better way. They'll ask you no, just like they'll give you the rifle, and they may ask you to name the parts of the rifle. So quickly you have to answer the parts. Sometimes, they may ask you what is this. You have to say this is a butt plate. What is this called? You have to say trigger guard. What is this? This is trigger, sir. You have a bolt, rear side, tip, foresight tip. Now again, here also you will have a protector. When you see this, you will have a pin kind of a thing, and which is protected under the U shape. It is rear sight protector. Okay, muzzle grooves are inside the rifle. So in that day, you have to explain to the instructor who is taking your viva. So when we come to the firing positions, there are 4 firing positions. One is standing position. So they may ask you how many firing positions are there. You have to answer, or else you will get it in the question also. So there are 4 firing positions. Standing, this is one, and this is one. The only the difference is in position, how they are standing. Second one is sitting position. Sitting position. Third is kneeling. Kneeling position is third. And the fourth one is lying position. Fourth one is lying position. How many positions we have? One is standing, sitting, kneeling, and lying positions. Now you have to understand what is the size of the target sheet. What is the size of the target? 1 into 1 feet. So basically, they may ask you what is the size of the target sheet. They may give you different sizes, so you have to select 1 into 1 feet. Now I have a small sample of target sheet for your better understanding. So you will have, this is the target sheet. So here, 1, 2, 3. This is the inner circle. So what it is called? The inner circle, the whole part is called bull. Okay, the inner side. They may ask you what is the inner circle in the target sheet. Then it is bull. The second, for your better example, I have even drawn a line. So here, what is the second uh, inner circle? It is called inner. Middle one is called magpie. Outer, the third circle which is on the outer side is called outer. So bull is the inner circle, inner circle, inner, the second inner circle. Magpie is the third inner circle, and outer is the last circle. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count it in that way. So this is the target sheet. This is the target sheet which is used in firing. So there are points like, where if bullet stucks into the bullseye, you will get a point. If all the bullets grouping, there's a different type of firing competition which happen in the NCC. Grouping application. So for NCC A certificate exam, you have to just answer the small bits. That's fine. That is your simple exam. What happens in your A certificate. So I hope you understood the concept clearly. So the firing, the session was about weapon training. It's just simple. What rifle is used, it's .22 rifle. In every exam, about two questions, one, 2 to 3 questions, I guess it comes from the firing. So you should be able to answer it. Don't give, just with simple question. Don't leave the simple questions like this. Just have a glance for some time, and then you will understand what exactly is the weapon training. Okay, thank you very much. I'll come up with the next video very shortly. Thank you very much.